Kevin, what's going on? You don't look good. Don't tell me you arrived late again. No, I don't know what's happening to me, but I don't feel well today. I see, but why do you think that happens? There must be a reason. Yeah, I suppose so. I just woke up this morning and now I feel a little weird. But what do you mean by weird? What do you feel? What's the matter? Well, I'm always responsible with my work. I arrive on time every day and you know. Yes, of course I know. You are one of the best workers here in the company, Kevin. You arrive earlier than anyone here in the office. You were the employee of the month many times. I know, but today I feel like I don't want to do anything, Brian. I don't feel like working today. I am not motivated to work hard as usual. In fact, I'm no longer interested in being the employee of the month. What's going on with me? You're right. That's weird. You always work hard to be the best worker. But let's talk. There must be a reason for that feeling. Tell me everything you feel, Kevin. We have to find what worries you. Well, what I feel is I wake up every morning at 5 a.m. and then I do the same thing. What do you mean you do the same thing? You mean your routine? That's obvious. Yeah, but this time was different. Anyway, I was telling you about what I do. I wake up very early, then I take a cold shower, get dressed, prepare my breakfast, also prepare my lunch. I usually eat boiled chicken with some potatoes and salad. I didn't know you cooked your lunch every day. I don't know how to cook. Anyway, I suppose that's something good. That way you can eat healthier, right? Sure, I'm on a diet after all. That's why I eat healthy food, boiled chicken every day. I get ready to leave home and drive my car to come to the office, always at the same time. Well, until now, there's nothing different or strange in your daily routine. There must be something, but please continue. We have to find that thing that makes you feel bad. Well, I arrive on time every day, work really hard, then I have my lunch at midday. I eat my boiled chicken with salad and drink just water. I don't eat any sugar. I finish eating my lunch in about 20 minutes, so I can go back to work, or sometimes I walk a little. Then I get back to work, and some days I have a meeting with the boss to check some things. Oh, I didn't know you had meetings with the boss. What do you talk about? Different things. You know, I am one of his favorite workers, so he asked me many things. How well we work or how to improve the workers' performance at work to get better results. He tells me his plans for this company and asks me for my opinion. That's very usual. That's interesting. And what do you answer him? You don't say we work bad, right? No, of course not. I never tell him that because that's not true. We all do a great job. Then I don't understand. What you're telling me now is something good. You do important things. Or maybe you think that's not enough anymore and you want something else. Am I right? That's possible, but I am not sure. I work hard every day, Brian. This job is my life. I studied 7 years to get this job. You know that. This job was my dream since I was a child, and now I've got it. Then what's that? Relax. We're gonna find a solution. Maybe that's the problem, that you work hard. Tell me something. How often do you go on vacation? How often do you travel? Travel? I don't like traveling much. I don't usually do that, Brian. Okay, but how often do you rest? Or what other activities do you normally do? Other activities? You mean hobbies? Well, I read books or go to a different restaurant. I go to a different restaurant every Saturday. I have that planned. I always do that. On Sundays, I clean my apartment, wash my clothes, and sometimes I visit my parents. I don't always visit them because they live out of the city, so I go there once a month. Oh, sometimes I play soccer with some friends, but that happens once in a while. Don't you have any friends? You haven't told me about them. Well, you are one of them. I know we don't often go out, but I consider you my friend, or not?